Croeso I lansiad ymgyrch Plaid Cymru ar gyfer yr etholiad seneddol mis Mai.
Put your trust in a party that stands up for Wales, believes in our communities and fights for a future built on strength, hope and compassion. Plaid Cymru can take on the politics of fear and win.
Our next First Minister is standing right there. Where other parties bring you negativity and hate, we bring hope.
This is a national mission. This is a mission to transform Wales. And the bar that we set ourselves throughout this venture will be high because the people of Wales deserve nothing less. Let's do everything that we can to win this election for Wales. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.